क्या आप जानते हैं कि जो पैसे एक्टिव लार्ज कैप फंड्स में लगे हैं आपके लिए ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हैं? That's right. Let me tell you about 3 types of funds that invest in large cap stocks only, are as reliable and stable as them, if not more, and have delivered higher returns than active large cap funds. So, let's get started. Let's look at the first option. Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 Funds. बेसिकली ये इंडिया के 100 बिगेस्ट लिस्टेड कंपनीज में से 30 कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करती है जिनकी स्टॉक प्राइस सबसे कम फ्लक्चुएट किए हैं इन द लास्ट 12 months. These funds have beaten an average active large cap fund over 5 and 10 years. What's more, Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 funds have beaten the average large cap fund every single day between December 2019 and December 2024. Want to invest in this index? We suggest you look at Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 funds with the lowest expense ratio. Because the lower the expense ratio, the more money you make. Now let's look at Nifty 50 Value 20 funds. ये इंडिया के 50 biggest companies में से 20 stocks खरीदते हैं जो उन्हें undervalued लगता है. They look at a few valuation metrics such as low PE and low PB ratios, high dividend yields and strong ROCE. Guess what? In the last 5 years, Nifty 50 Value 20 funds have annually grown at 23.6% versus Nifty 100's 17.6% and an average active large cap fund 17.2%. इनका performance has been very strong over 10 years too. ये active large cap funds को consistently beat भी करते आ रहे हैं. They have given higher returns than an average large cap fund 100% of the time based on last 5 years daily rolling returns from December 2019 to December 2024. The last but definitely not the least alternative to large cap funds is the Nifty Top 10 Equal Weight Index Fund. ये सिंपली इंडिया के 10 लार्जेस्ट कंपनीज में इक्वल पैसा लगाती है. मतलब अगर आप 10,000 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो हजार रुपए वो इक्वली ये 10 कंपनीज में लगाती है. Currently there's only one fund like this in the market, DSP Nifty Top 10 Equal Weight. ये फंड एक्टिव लार्ज कैप फंड से 85% of the time बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस देता है since December 2019 till December 2024. And over 10 years, it has comfortably beaten both an average active large cap fund and the large cap index. There you go. ये 3 options ने पिछले कई सालों से active large cap funds को पीछे छोड़ दिया है. If you want similar insights into mutual funds, we suggest you like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.